Hello, this is Ms. Mazoo with a lesson on conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. The word itself, conjunction, comes from a Latin root and a Latin prefix. C-O-N means with, and juncture means to join, thus to join with. Many students learn about the 7 main coordinating conjunctions when they are in school. Some teachers use a device called an acronym to remember the 7 common coordinating conjunctions. The acronym is FANBOYS. F stands for the conjunction for. A stands for the conjunction and. N relates to the conjunction nor. B is equal to the conjunction but. O represents the conjunction or. Y helps us remember the conjunction yet. And finally, S stands for the conjunction so. These words join words or groups of words. However, there are other conjunctions. They are called correlative conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions come in pairs. They correlate or correspond with another conjunction and should always be used in these pairs to create good sentence structure. The 5 common correlative conjunctions are both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, whether or. Some examples are: both you and your sister seem to have covered the floor with toys. Either you or your sister might be more responsible for the mess than the other. But neither your dad nor I made that mess. Not only are you both going to clean it up, but you are both also going to clean the kitchen. Whether you follow through or not is your choice, but you will have consequences if you choose to ignore me. I hope you noticed that when I gave the 5 sentence examples, the words in the correlative conjunction pairs did not have to appear together directly, thus the dots or ellipses to show words between. The last type of conjunction is called a subordinating conjunction. These conjunctions introduce what is termed a clause. Clauses appear to have a subject and a verb, but if they are subordinate, or some people say dependent, they can't stand alone as a complete thought. You need to have an independent clause with a dependent clause in order to be considered a full sentence. However, the dependent clauses, or the groups that begin with subordinating conjunctions, often add variety and interest to our writing and speaking. You will notice that subordinating conjunctions do not have to be just one word, but can also appear to be in a unit of 2 or 3 words. I have 3 examples of common subordinating conjunctions listed on the whiteboard. There are over 20 that I have found, but I'll just read those to you after I give 3 examples. After you clean your room, we'll eat lunch. I will prepare Brussels sprouts for lunch, although you may not appreciate their nutritional value. As soon as you finish eating lunch, we'll have some ice cream. Other subordinating conjunctions include the following: as if, as long as though, because, before, how, if, in order that, since, so that, than, though, unless, until, when, whenever, where, wherever, and while. To learn more, go to my website at www.mazoozoo.com. That's MAZOOSZOO for free detailed lessons on each part of speech. You can also listen to parts of speech songs to help you remember each of them. Don't let the 8 parts of speech trouble you. Take one at a time and enjoy the journey. Happy learning!